So welcome back to the online math class and good afternoon all of you. So today we will do some MCQs. I am giving you one by one. You just try to solve it and respond me the answer. If A and B are any two sets such that A union B equals to B, then which one is correct? Option A equals to B, option B subset A, option C A subset B, and option D A intersection B. If A and B are two sets such that A union B equals to B, then which one is correct? Try to do it. I am waiting. Try to do it and then type me the answer. You are saying option C. What's the logic? What's the logic? You are saying A subset B. Can you explain it, Krishnendu? Here A union B, that is giving you B, that is the whole B. That means A obviously equals to B or is a proper subset of B, isn't it? Either A equals to B or A is a proper subset of B. Okay, very good. So move on to the next one. Move on to the next question. If A and B are two sets, having three elements in common, if n of A equals to A5, if n of A equals to 5, that means the number of elements in set A, that is 5, n of B equals to 5, then the number of elements, in A cross B intersection B cross A is, the options are 16, 1, 9, 25. Try to do it. If A and B are two sets having three elements in common, if n of A equals to 5 and n of B equals to 5, then the number of elements in A cross B intersection B cross A. I am waiting for your answer. Respond me with your answer. Option C. Yes, very good. There are 3 elements in common. So, the number of elements of A cross B intersection B cross A, that means the common element of A cross B and common elements of A cross B and B cross A, that is 3 square, or you may say 3 into 3, that is 9. Very good. That is the correct answer. So, move on to the next question. If Pn, that is from mathematical induction, Pn, that is a statement, mathematical statement, is defined by 49 to the power n plus 16 to the power n plus k is divisible by 16. For all n belongs to natural numbers is true. Then the negative integral value of k is, then the negative integral value of k is, the options are -2, -3, -4, -1. Try to do it. Try to do it. Respond me, Krishnendu. I am waiting. It is divisible by for all n. So you may put here n equals to 1. That will give you 49 plus 16 plus k. That means 65 plus k. Now this expression is divisible by 16. So the value of k, if here we put k equals to -1, that will give you 64. Yes, that will give you 64. That is divisible by 16. So k equals to obviously -1, isn't it? Okay. So move on to the next question. So option D is the correct answer. Option D -1, that is the correct answer. Next one, the set of real x satisfying the inequality five minus 2x by 3 less equals to x by 6 minus 5 is option A minus infinity open interval minus infinity to open interval 8, option B open interval 8 to open interval infinity, option C close interval 8 to open interval infinity, and option D minus infinity open interval minus infinity to close interval 8. Okay, try to do it. Mathematical reasoning is not in your syllabus. The portion which has been deducted from the syllabus, from there will be no question in the exam. Okay. The portion which has been deducted from the syllabus by CBSE, from there from that portion there will be no question on the exam. Have you got it? Mathematical induction. Okay, I have to check it. Okay, you just do it. Do this one. I am checking. You just do this one. Yes, induction and reasoning both are deleted. Yes, there will be no question from the in the exam. Okay. This one, Krishnendu, this one. Can you hear me? This one. Just solve this inequality. It will give you x greater equals to 8. After solving this inequality, it will give you x greater equals to 8. So option C is the correct answer. Close interval 8 to infinity, open interval infinity. Have you got it, Krishnendu? Okay, so that's all for today. We will be back again here at the new class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. And before leaving the call, you just type your name for taking the attendance. Thank you once again.